So guys, this is Cooper here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are back with a video that we're going to play Minecraft Survival Episode 4. Today we're going to be mining. We're going to be mining here in my world. So yeah. Let's see. Come on. Let's just get more stone. Cool. Okay. To that top. Shit. Load up. Okay. Killing Mr. Pig. Hello. And I think in the next episode, episode 5, we're going to go to the first desert temple. I think I found like a desert village somewhere, but it's far away. I have to eat. I need a furnace. Let's go craft this furnace. Okay, get some steak. Because I'm in desperate need of food. I can't run. Sprint. Okay, let's see. Let's kill this chicken. Oh my god, epic fail. Okay, let's kill this chicken. Boom. Bye-bye. Yeah, critical hit. Let's see, we got steak. And I want to sprint. We got 4 steak. Good. I'm full now. Let's see. It's like a little portal, mini portal. In the ground. In the future episodes, I'm gonna fill that little cave with obsidian and it'll look like a little mini portal. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh god. I have to kill this cow first and then I'll say peace. 3, 2, 1.